Hey guys, and if you haven't realized it yet, Valentine's Day is right around the corner. And today, for Valentine's Day, I am going to be making these really wonderful heart-shaped chocolate nut raspberry layered cakes with mousse on top. So if that was really complicated, it'll basically just be a layer of cake on the bottom, and then a layer of hazelnut spread, and then a layer of nuts, and then a layer of wonderful fluffy raspberry mousse. Okay, to get started, I have baked one batch of my delicious vanilla cake, and I'll link to that recipe down below in the description box. Alright, now for my raspberry mousse, I have just added a 1/4 cup of cold water into a small saucepan. And with that water, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of gelatin. I'm going to go boil 1/2 cup of water. Now into my very bloomed gelatin, which should look kind of like a gloppy paste, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of that boiling water, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and a cup of raspberries. I'm also going to add stevia to taste. I'm going to go bring this to a boil on the stovetop. Now, once I've let this mixture boil for a little bit, I'm going to pop it into a blender and blend it until smooth. And if you really want to get it really super smooth, you can put it through a sieve. Now that I have sieved this and blended it, I am going to let it sit either outside, like just on the counter, which will take a little bit longer, or in the fridge, or if you're like me in Canada and it's freezing outside, you can pop it outside. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of coconut cream. And I'm going to whip it in either a stand or hand mixer. Okay, so after I added my raspberry sauce, gelatin mixture thingy, I whipped it for a little while, and then when you started being able to see the beater marks in it, I just took it off the mixer, and now I'm going to pop it in the fridge. This is what it looks like. Okay, so here I have my cake, and I have this really yummy chocolate hazelnut spread, and I'm just going to spread it over the layer of cake. Now that I have my spread all spread over my layer of cake, I have some roughly chopped nuts, and I'm just going to sprinkle them evenly all over the cake. Now I have my mousse, and I'm just going to spread it on top of all that goodness. I'm gonna pop this outside again, and if you're not in Canada, you could just use a fridge or freezer and let it set up. Okay, so now I have this really nice heart-shaped cookie cutter, and I'm just gonna cut out as many hearts as I possibly can fit. Okay, so this is an optional step, but I am going to glaze my wonderful desserts, and I have just made a chocolate ganache with some coconut oil and a little bit of milk. Bye guys, don't forget to click here to subscribe, here for more videos, and don't forget to like and share this video.